Here we have the Screach TV box. On the front of the box you will find the LCD display and also the SCR number for the box and its MAC address. On the right of the box we have an SD card slot and two USBs, and on the rear we have the antenna, the LAN, the HDMIs, the audio outputs and the power. And on the other side there is a SATA port. So for your installation you'll need the aerial, the power supply and a HDMI cable, and an internet source, preferably on the Ethernet. This should be plugged into the venue's router or network on an open connection. So start by connecting the Wi-Fi aerial on the box, just screw that in, and then we'll go to the rear of the box and connect the Ethernet cable. And then the HDMI cable. Make sure to plug this into the HDMI out, and then connect the power cable. As this is a composite installation, you'll need the HDMI to composite converter. In this model it has a micro USB, HDMI input, and then your RCA outputs on the back, and a button for changing between PAL and NTSC. So if you take the HDMI cable from the Screach box, plug that into the HDMI input, and then take a micro USB to USB cable, plug that obviously into the composite converter, and then the other end into the USB 2 slot on the Screach box. Next, get your composite breakout cable. What we're going to do is connect the colours together, so the video is yellow to yellow, and then your two audio cables, red to red and black to white. Take the other end, plug that into your input, so again keeping the colours the same, video is yellow, and then your two audio cables if this is available. Some composite matrices will need a BNC to RCA adapter, again keeping the colours the same, so video to video. Then connect the power supply to a free socket and make sure the TV is on the right input and any inputs and outputs are correctly selected on a matrix. On this model of composite converter you can see the blue halo light indicating this power, and the box will say boot. Then you just need to make sure you're on the right colour system using the PAL NTSC button. So what you should be seeing on the screen is the box booting up. What you're waiting for is the check. You'll do a network check, an API check and a system check. You're looking for 3 green ticks. You'll then get the countdown and the box will start playing content. Once everything's up and running, you just need to tidy up all your cables, making a nice neat install. If additional site-wide audio is needed and is not being handled by the matrix, then a 3.5mm jack in the AV socket can help you achieve this.